Hello Stampers, it's Laura with Laura's Stamp Pad, and today I am sharing with you the Unbounded Beauty Stampin' Up 12 by 12 Designer Series paper pack. This paper pack is a 12 by 12 paper pack, and it uses colors Pretty in Pink, Peach Pie, Shy Shamrock, Summer Splash, Petunia Pop, and Berry Burst. You'll notice that those first 5 colors are some of the new 2024 to 2026 in colors. And then, of course, there's a little bit of that Berry Burst, which is one of our loved colors from the Brights collection. I am loving these colors. You guys all know my stamp room uses a lot of that Summer Splash Pool Party Coastal Cabana shade. So I'm super loving that color. Of course, I love the bright colors of pinks and purples, and that Petunia Pop just really pops as well. And I love flowers. This paper is in the Unbounded Beauty Suite. So that is on page 54 and 55 of the Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. And there's also coordinating glimmer paper, which is just stunning. That is in 5 of these colors. So it's in the 5 in colors, so not the Berry Burst. And then there's also some beautiful gems. And there are 2 stamp sets with coordinating dies in this suite. So there's a beautiful flower set and a wonderful greeting stamp set. The greeting stamp set has 25 greetings to it with a beautiful set of dies that coordinate that are a lot of labels, which I absolutely love. These prints aren't all floral, so it's super fun to be able to use these like a tie-dye look or something like that. That would be so fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the full 12 by 12 sheet of this Designer Series paper pack so that you can really see how beautiful it is and what the prints and patterns actually look like on a full scale. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any others. And don't forget to go to LaurasStampPad.com so that you can see some fabulous inspiration and ideas, as well as all of my upcoming classes. And as always, shop.LaurasStampPad.com so you can get this beautiful Unbounded Beauty 12 by 12 Designer Series paper. Happy stamping, everyone. Bye-bye.